pink stuffed toy is Tiny Clanger.
An alien from a hollow planet far, far away.
It was given to me by my ex-boyfriend who, although not exactly tiny in any department,
Was often self-absorbed, rather distant, and very empty as a person.
What is left of the fake handcuffs is the result of a particularly passionate night/morning in bed.
We often had great sex during our short-lived relationship.
I think he might have kept the other half or thrown it away.
I remember one morning when he had me handcuffed to the bed and the phone rang.
It was the man who would, several months later, become my next boyfriend.